Alright, for any of you guys that like computer builds as much as I seem to these days, I am doing a new build. It'll be a couple of days, might be a week before I get it all, before I get anything on YouTube, but thought I'd show you the components, what I'm using. Kind of a strange build. It's one of only a couple of motherboards that are out there. Asus and ASROCK, however you pronounce that company's name, have these motherboards, but they're the only ones that do that I could find. And this is the only one I could find with the ICH-10 chipset, I believe. But in any case, it's a 775 motherboard, socket 775, so it takes the Core 2 quads, you know, which is the only what you'd want to use these days if you're not going to use an i5. But it does, the memory standard on this 775 board is DDR3 1333. It's got the ICH-10, South Bridge, North Bridge is the Intel G43. The motherboard has integrated graphics, the Intel X4500. It's got HDMI. Anyway, kind of a strange board, but I'm going to try it out. I think it'll be fine. It'll be great, I think, for what its intended use will be. So I'm going to go with this G-Skill DDR3 1333. It's on the list that Asus provides. I'm going to be using the Cooler Master Elite 341RC, which only stands 14.37 inches high. What else here? Western Digital Black 500 gigabyte, Core 2 Quad Q8400, and OCZ Mod Extreme 500 watt power supply. And anyway, I'll try to remember to do as much as I can on this build. At least some some looks at some of these products, because this is a pretty strange board. Wish it had 4 DIMM slots, so in the future we could upgrade it. But I think 4 gigabytes of DDR3, you know, should last a while. You always say that, and then you end up wanting to upgrade it. But it is for a client of mine. I'm building it for a business application, so you know, it's just going to be used for stuff around the office. I think it should be fine. So I'll have much more on this build coming up in the next week or so. So look for those. You guys have a good day.